Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here and welcome to episode 41 of Dan's Dollars giveaways for the 2020 Brexit 50p coin. Before we start, just a massive shout out to everyone that said if they've already had this coin and they didn't want to get entered into the prize draw because they wanted someone else to have a chance. Kindness like that really does go far and I really can't thank you all enough. So the names are all in there of the people that are still in it to win it. Best of luck to everyone that's entered, and it's always just a massive shout out and a thank you for you guys for watching all my videos, and that's why I do so many giveaways. So here we go then, the winner of the 2020 Brexit 50p coin is, we'll open it up now and have a look. The winner is LFC0. Congratulations, you are a new winner as well on the channel. So make sure to drop your email address in the comment section below there, and then I can work out how I can get it posted to you. A massive shout out again to everyone that's entered. If you still haven't won a giveaway, your time will come, and best of luck to you in future giveaways. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.